Hello everyone, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. This is a 360-degree video, so you can move your device around to view the sights of Sozor. But I'm quite sure you're all quite familiar by now after all those videos released by Diesel D199. Speaking of which, this is totally not a rip-off of his videos. As you can all see, we still have the charm. Got to go now, but some of my friends will be coming along.
A goods train! A goods train! The shame of it! The shame of it! Oh, the shame of it. Oh, hey! Are you here to see my shiny red paint?
Express coming through! Oh, hi there. Come along, Percy. You wouldn't want to be late. Come on, Bill. Come along. It's not me. It's Grumpy.
See you all soon.
It's you. It's